Now it feels festive. A festive holiday tradition is dining here at the Walnut Room in Macy. You guys do lunch and you do dinner?
Yes, we basically, at this time of year, we do, as long as the store's open, basically, is the Walnut Room.
Wow.
And we found that we serve usually about 5,000 people a day during this holiday season. We also have a buffet this year, and that is brand new to our Walnut Room.
During the holidays, it's extra special.
Well, you don't always have a great tree in the middle of your room throughout the year. So our great tree stands 45 feet tall.
Wow.
It actually hangs from the ceiling.
And who are these gorgeous fairies that I'm seeing?
Oh yes, the fairy princesses.
Yes.
So they will grant you your wishes. So
I need to talk to
they
one.
will. Yep. Daniel Burnham built our building. This is still the original. Here we've got the Tiffany ceiling. We have fabulous Corinthian columns on our first floor. We still have, it's a full marble palace. Marble on the first floor. It's been 51 years now that we've had the windows along State Street animated.
I'm gonna go find Santa now, okay?
Please do.
All right.
Say hi to him for me.
And a fairy too, I need a new boyfriend.
There you go.
Would you say that Chicago is the greatest architecture city in the United States?
Well, I would probably say the world. Well, it's not just me. I'm not just the only one who says it. Architects will come here and acknowledge that there's something unique about Chicago. We've had it in our DNA, kind of, we're devoted to the urban planning, to creating a city that works for everyone. We're the home of the skyscraper.
I think that a lot of people are familiar with the Chicago Architectural Foundation's boat tour.
Right, absolutely.
Which is the best. I recommend that to everyone.
It's almost the perfect way of seeing Chicago architecture, but we have 84 other walking tours, bus tours, bike tours as well.
What would you recommend that people have to see in the Loop?
There are any number of tours you can take here, but I would definitely see the Chicago Board of Trade building. That's an Art Deco masterpiece. The Monadnock building, a beautiful, beautiful structure, skyscraper, early skyscraper. Even just walking down the Riverwalk, you can see all kinds of different eras and designs.
What can people expect when they come and see you in your beautiful new home?
Well, we've got two new exhibit spaces. The one we're in right now is the Skyscraper Gallery. It's all about the international skyscraper. Downstairs we have the Chicago Gallery, which has our famous Chicago model, which is a scale model of the Loop and downtown. And we have a new film and light show.
And look at this view. The view is incredible.
Absolutely. You can stand at the window and teach architecture from here with all the different styles, all the different eras.
To find all of these places we highlighted in today's video, head to the Chicago Sun-Times website. See you next time on The Grid.